Bricktionary is currently at the Cincinnati Museum Center. It's based on a book of the same name and takes you through the alphabet with a variety of displays, all made with Legos. A is for airplane, or more accurately, the Antonov AN-225, which was originally designed to transport Russia's space shuttle on its back. Susan and I were here on a weekday while school was still in session, so we had the place pretty much to ourselves. Weekends, though, are a different story, and tickets are sold with specific entry times to space out crowds. I thought our museum center annual passes would get us into this exhibit as well, but there is a separate charge. It's a bit pricey, but luckily Susan is a calmer and more reasonable person than I am, so after about 20 minutes, we paid the additional fee and went in. And I'm glad. I'm glad we went in, and I'm glad she married me, because this turned out to be really, really cool. The larger displays are made from tens of thousands of individual bricks. The Back to the Future DeLorean, with its lighting and internal support structure, approaches nearly 100,000 separate pieces. There are also many stations where you can build with Legos. This large mosaic is made from small squares with 64 different studs on top. An iPad will show you the colors needed to complete the piece before the worker consults the X and Y coordinates for correct placement. When completed, it will be a large mural with each color represented by one Lego pixel. The movie posters are also made from Legos, and I can appreciate the science fiction theme of their film choices. If what you're building is large enough and you're standing far enough away, then the individual little Legos are pretty convincing at conveying detail. Speaking of large enough, check out this deep-sea exploration vessel. It's nearly 8 feet long and is impressive on its own from just one side, but go around the back and you'll find a cutaway interior complete with the engine room, crew cabins, storage, and even a hangar for the helicopter. is the host of the Lego Masters TV show in Australia, and he is one of the main forces behind the Bricktionary exhibit currently in Cincinnati. When I used to build with Legos, I never thought about doing interiors. But now the ships, airplanes, houses, and trains all have furnished rooms complete with seating, figures, and even lighting sometimes. So with the member discount, admission is still over $16 per adult. It took some convincing, but after going through the various displays, I can honestly say that I'm glad we went. If you're glad that you watched this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.